First of all we are here to support people of Belarus in these challenging days. Don't worry, brothers and sisters. We are with you here today, and every day, whole world is with you. We are against dictatorship and despotism in Belarus, in Russia, in North Korea, in Turkmenistan, and anywhere in the world. This is 21st century. This is information age. This is integrated world. You cannot fool people like before. One more thing, we have seven Turkmen medical students were arrested in Belarus while they were helping wounded people during riots. We didn't hear back from their fate, but we will not stop supporting you. Tyranny ends now. Dictatorship ends now. Живи Belarus! Thank you.